Hey, I'm Eric, and I want to share something personal that changed the way that I think about organ and tissue donation. A few months ago, I was doing something that I love, playing tennis, when I got injured. It turned out to be more serious than I expected, and I needed surgery. During the procedure, I received a small tissue donation, something that I didn't even know was a thing. But someone that I will never meet made my recovery possible. That single generous act will help me heal faster and stronger. But that helped me realize how powerful donation can be. Not just organ, but tissue as well. Soon, I'll be back on my feet. But because someone said yes to being a donor, I got a second chance at doing what I truly love. You don't have to wear a cape to be a hero. You just have to say yes, and you could change someone's life, like mine. Thank you.